Good morning, children. So yesterday we have seen beta multiples and factors. Okay, see beta factors and multiples are interlinked with each other. See how. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay. So 4 is the multiple of 4 is the divisor of 2 and 12 is the multiple of 4. Got it, beta? So see, some points are given so that we can see they are interlinked with each other. Okay, so first point. Factors and multiples are interlinked with each other. For example, beta, if 12 is a multiple of 3, see, 12 is the multiple of 3 and 3 is the factor of 12. And 3 is a factor of 12. Got it, beta? So 12 and 3. First, 12 is a multiple of 3. So what is 3? 3 is the factor of 12. Second point. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Means every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Yes, for example, 3. So 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3. Okay, means 3 is a multiple of 1. Okay, and now take 3. 3 ones are 3. Yes, so in 3's table 3 occurs. That means what, beta? Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Got it, children? Now see the third point. Third point. 0 is a multiple of all numbers. 0 is a multiple of all numbers. You can multiply 0 by any number. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. That's why 0 is the multiple of 0. The smallest multiple of a number of a number is the number itself. Of a number is the number itself. And all other multiples are greater than the number. Yes. And all other multiples are greater than the number. For example, C. Okay. So children, yesterday I have told you, how will you get the multiple? If you multiply any number by the natural number, and natural numbers are start with 1. Okay. And where it ended, natural numbers are infinite. Therefore, multiples are also infinite. For example, 3. So you have to multiply it by 1. Means first natural number. So 3 ones are 3. Or you can say first multiple of 4. 4 multiplied by 1. That is 4. Got it, beta? So what is the smallest multiple of 3? The 3 itself. What is the smallest multiple of 4? Is 4 itself. And other multiples means 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So other multiples are greater than the number. Got it, children? And now see. Fifth point. The multiples of any number are infinite. The multiples of any number are infinite. The multiples of any number are infinite. What is the meaning of infinite? Unlimited. Not end, ever. So, why the multiples of any number are infinite? Because we get the multiples of any number by multiplying it by natural numbers. And natural numbers are infinite. That's why multiples are also infinite. Got it, beta? Sixth point. The smallest factor of a number is 1. And the greatest factor is the number itself. Okay, so in the previous point, we have seen the smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. And here, the smallest factor of any number is 1. And the greatest multiple of any number is greater than the number. And here, the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. So it is the difference between the factor and the multiple. Okay. Now see children, next point. The factor of any number are infinite. The factors of any number are finite. Yes. So it is given beta. The factors of any number are finite. So what is the meaning of finite here? Countable. So you can count. Means you can count all the factors of any number. And what is about the multiples? Multiples are infinite. You can't write or you can't count all the multiples of any numbers. Yes, you can count all the factors of any number. So see the difference. Every factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Okay. So what is the meaning of this beta? Every factor of a number is so it is written twice. Every factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Yes, every factor. So what is the smallest factor of every number? 1. Okay. But what about the 1? What are the factors of 1? 1 has only one factor. So factor of 1 is 1. So every factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Okay. Ninth point beta. The only number which is a multiple as well as the factor is the number itself. Yes. What is the meaning of this point? The only number which is multiple as well as factor is the number itself. For example, see beta, factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, Okay. Now multiples of 12 means to find the multiple you have to multiply this 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4. That is natural numbers. So okay. So what is the meaning of 3 dots here? They are infinite. What is the meaning of this 3 dot? Multiples are infinite. Okay. Now see children, which number comes in both these factors and multiples? Yes, 12. So 12 is the factor of 12 as well as 12 is the multiple of 12. Got it better this point? Now see the next point. Next and the last point. A factor common to two or more numbers is called a common factor. Yes, a factor common to two or more numbers. Okay, for example, I am taking here 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now see children, this number 5 occurs in these three numbers. Only 5 is occurs in these three. Okay. So that means what? 5 is the common factor for 10, 20 and 50. So this is known as common factor. See, here is 2, here is 2, but here is no 2. Here is 10, here is 10, but here is no 10. But only 5 is the number which occurs in these three factors. Got it, children? Okay. So children, tomorrow we will learn. Children, tomorrow we will learn about the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. Okay. So which numbers are the factors of 2 or 2 is which numbers are divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So it is what beta? It is what? Divisibility test. So we will see it tomorrow. Okay. So bye-bye children. Here we are stopped. You have to recite all these points that I taught tomorrow, today. Okay. So bye-bye children.